Hello Virgo, this is your channel messages for the 3rd of April. Let's go Virgo. 3rd of April, let's see what is in your waiting. Virgo, we have the Queen of Pentacles, we have the Queen of Wands coming out first. So you're dealing with a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn woman. Okay, so you're dealing with a woman. I'm getting Taurus, Virgo, no, I'm getting Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So I'm getting, so this woman is trying to spite you. This woman is saying, yes, I got you. I got her. Okay? We're getting a Sagittarius woman. I'm getting someone feels like you're a threat. Somebody feels like you're a competition to them. So I'm getting them a sabotage you. The Ace of Swords. I'm getting is that lie. So I'm getting somebody wants you to relocate. Them want you to leave. I'm getting there's a Queen of Wands around you, Virgo. I'm getting apparently you're outshining her. So she have to start a lot of rumors on you to get you the fuck out. We have the Tower, literally. She can start a lot of rumor on you to get you the fuck out. 5 of Swords, Ace of Swords, that's 6 of Swords. She want you to leave. Something about a Queen of Wands. Now this could be this woman trying to set you up. I'm getting she'll get evicted instead. We have the Emperor, yeah. So apparently the Emperor likes you. And she knows that, or the Emperor is confiding in her. So I'm getting in order for she to make the Emperor not be attractive to you. She have to start a rumor, she have to tell a lie. I'm getting whatever she said to the Emperor did believe. Okay? So Virgo, I'm getting this woman sabotaging a relationship because she likes the Emperor, or she's jealous because the Emperor like you. The Queen of Wands is, yeah, now she feel fucked up, or I'm getting she got caught. Yeah, because she was supposed to start a nasty rumor on you. The 5 of Swords, Ace of Swords kind of mean that it don't feel like a rumor. It feel like she did something to you. Or she pinned something on you. Yeah, me getting she get catch. Or she feeling guilty. You're feeling sad. Bitch. The 5 of Swords is the devil. You're feeling sad because you're a dirty pussy bitch. You're feeling sad because your nasty blood clot, jealous and demonic ways are catching up to your slut. You know she feel the Emperor gonna find out what you do. Me getting something about a huge lie she tell, or me getting she set you the fuck up. This woman, she set you up. Maybe she set you up with a drug addict, so that the drug addict could have lace your shit. What's the Ace of Swords? Yeah. The Ace of Swords is the Ace. Maybe she set you up. She lace your shit. They're getting a Sagittarius. The devil, because somebody wanted to get back at you. Maybe the only way them could get back at you is if you're upon drugs. Or you're getting sex addiction. Because when you do certain drugs, your potency for sex are going to heighten. They're getting something about drugs and sex. This could also be me getting somebody inject. Them inject drugs. Them don't smoke it. Them inject it. Me getting something about this woman did I set you up on a Capricorn, or she was setting you up on a man. The man was supposed to drug you out. But me getting everything is coming to the surface now. The Tower is the angel. But me getting, you probably lived in a crack house, but you never touched the crack. You probably did live with a drug lord, but you never touched the blood clot drugs. The angel is here. So the devil here, you were supposed to be consumed by liquor, alcohol, sex, prostitution, drugs. Me getting a one Leo, Aries, Sagittarius woman. So me getting she set you up. You were supposed to deal with this man, and the man are gonna drug you out, and coke you out, and cocaine you out. I'm kind of thinking that you were supposed to be with her Emperor. She knew. So you say right before you with the Emperor, me getting a man. She pay a man, or she sending a man for corrupt you. So the Emperor would have turned them back on you. The angel. But me getting, you had an angel on your side. What's the Emperor? The 9 of Cups, yeah. I'm getting is a Taurus, yes. The Hermit here, Virgo. You come out, yeah. Me getting Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Me getting the woman's job, me getting the Leo, Aries, Sagittarius woman's job was to make it look like he's a junkie, he's an addict, something wrong with you, the devil. Me getting she introduced it to a man or a drug lord. He was supposed to corrupt you and fuck you up. Me hear Whitney Houston talking about how she used to lace her cannabis with cocaine. Okay, let me tell you what Bobby Brown do. Bobby Brown give her cannabis for smoke and lace it. And that Bobby Brown do her, you know. And she think it okay. Then she say, yeah man, first, coke and cannabis are two different blood clot thing. You know that, right? You don't put coke in a blood clot cannabis unless you want mad somebody. Going back to the many ways of Jamaican people getting blood clot mad. When you want mad somebody, you want them schizophrenic, you want them have psychosis, you do something called lace. You know what a lace is? That means you drug them. You can lace somebody liquor, you can lace somebody alcohol, you can lace somebody spliff. And that Bobby Brown do her, you know. Him tell her, say, come, because him couldn't give her cocaine for snort. Him couldn't give her cocaine for smoke. She said she don't smoke cocaine, she just smoke it in a weed. A lie. That's not how cocaine works. You don't say, you know what, this is coke, but let me smoke it. And let me smoke it. First of all, how you not dead? How you not pass out? Cannabis slow down your brain and cocaine speed it up. And cocaine speed up your brain when you inhale it. She's smoking it. She had blood clot fire. She adding fire to the fucking cannabis. Usually when people lace you, that them do for lace you and you go drop down. Or you pass out and them can rape you and use your body. In a Jamaica, you know much time you hear that argument. You see a girl, you want her smoke weed, you want mad her out because you vex with her. You lace her shit with cocaine. Duh, you sprinkle crack or you sprinkle cocaine on somebody blood clot cannabis and you give them to smoke. And usually those are the ones where you don't pass the blunt. You roll one for she, you roll one for you, and two on her smoke and you just watch her. You just watch how she, and sometimes she will stay so and she pass out. A lace, she get lace. That's why she said she lace it. She never said she mix it. She never said I take 1 part crack and 1 part cannabis. That Bobby Brown do to her. He might have to get her on crack for kill her. So when she dead, him could have take her money. Where you think the whole of the money got to when Whitney Houston dead? The money couldn't be even, the money wasn't even left to her daughter, Bobby Christina. Bobby Christina died too. A Bobby blood clot Brown get the whole light. Me seen on stage a fucking... How Bobby Brown never blood clot dead? Look how much fucking drugs Bobby Brown do. Nobody can tell me say never Bobby Brown introduced Whitney to crack and cocaine. He had to control her. She had to be a fucking handler. He had to be her handler. How you get to handle people? You have to get them on drugs or alcoholism. She have so much money. Who is controlling her? I lace her shit. You know how much time is that happen in a blood clot shelter? When people cannabis get laced and end up on the ground and roll. And them say, I can't feel my foot. I can't feel my foot. Them I say them can't walk no more. Them on the ground and roll and I hold them foot. And I say, my foot. I having cramp. And me I watch them roll upon the blood clot ground. Me say, stand up. She can't stand up. She say her foot them can't work. Me say, you get lace. Yeah, but some of these white collar men too stupid for know the blood clot difference. That's why I won't lie. It's very hard for me to be with a man in the Matrix. Him don't know nothing about blood clot life. Him don't know nothing about life. Half of these emperors, them get sick, and as them sick, them run to the doctor. Them don't even know what's wrong with them. Yeah, the devil is here. And them are gonna lace your blood clot water. In the fucking mornings, them put crack in your fucking water. That's why in the mornings, you always a cuss, but in the evenings, you're okay. All you turn on your water faucet, the fucking thing laced with lead. Your water tampered with. This ain't drugs alone. You think of people who smoke alone I get fucked? When the fucking cigarette is laced too. When if you know, that's why you go buy the $5 cigarette. You bought the cigarette pack for $5 and you start piss blood. Your cigarette is laced too. Them are gonna kill you half faster. One more. Yeah, the lover's card wanted to come out. Yeah, maybe your lover want to kill you. Your boyfriend, him in a drugs, him sell drugs, him into it shit. Me deal with drug dealer who them want you take them drugs too. I'm saying that a blood Fabrizio Stefano, him was one of them. Every blood clot them want me to cocaine with him. I say, sir, them have to ask me if me I take drugs. Me say, no, baby, that's enough for Gaza thugs. Every blood clot there. Other man who me there with, them want to make me seat. Them tell me to leave the fucking room. If me they want look how it did look, them say no. Them not make me know where. All when them do drug dealings, them not make me come. Them say you stay here. I'm say make me come now, and them say no. Them say me no want you even look on the blood clot customer who a buy it. You have some of them not make you go nowhere near it. And them tell me, they say if police catch me, you don't have nothing to do with it. Mr. Suppose police catch you. But that's in my past though, not now. Mr. Suppose police catch you. Him said then you don't have nothing to do with it. Then you don't know me. Other ones, them want you drive like Fabrizio Di Stefano that work at Tortool Roofing Company, and in boss Andre, and in big pussy blood clot nasty sister is Anna Di Stefano who work in a real estate. Them, that's how I know him. They drug out my blood clot and make me knock out. He must smoke it, he must sniff it on the blood clot car wheel, he must sniff it on the dashboard, he must sniff it in the car, he must sniff it every blood clot where other drugs dealer want me to deal with. Then now make me see, me never even know them in a drugs. Them say, yeah, you have to leave, or I'm gonna do something, no, you cannot be here. I'm gonna say, well, yeah, me, but me know, and them say, yeah, but me don't want you. If you ever get questioned, me don't even want you have a memory in your head for you to try to lie about. Yeah, me getting an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius woman, a jealous big pussy bitch who did want to get rid of you. She pair you with one drug addict who was supposed to blood clot, kill you and lace you. Perhaps the addict did love you. That's why I never kill you. Your blood clot concerned because of your past, and you're concerned because the emperor don't want you anymore because of your blood clot past. Tell it, may the emperor go chuck through a blood clot college student, bitch. You for glad say the man who was supposed to blood clot corrupt you, the man who was supposed to send you 10 feet blood clot under, you for glad say him did love you. Cause dead if a blood clot dead. I dead if a dead long time ago. I don't know if a Virgo send them for kill you. Because I'm getting you supposed to overdose and them hide the body. It look like the man who was supposed to lace your blood clot did like you. He let you go. And that's how you can tell the story. Yeah, tell the story. Oh, because of what happened in my past, the emperor don't want me. You think you give a blood clot fuck about the emperor? If you give a fuck to the man who did sent in for blood clot, kill and never kill you. And that if you fucking give thanks about. You know, well, want me stop cursing. I'm not going to stop cursing. This is my channel. And a lot of these artists who are advertising on YouTube ads, them are cursing them blood clot music, but to still take their money. There was a popular thing that how YouTube did not want their content creators to curse because they could not, the companies don't want spend money for advertise on the videos, then make the companies advertise on other videos. The videos that are making the most hits are the videos that have curse words in it. Me now start blood clot curse. Me at 32 years old. You can't blood clot center my mouth. Parental discretion is advised. You want someone and listen to it with your kid, you can do that. Me now blood clot stop cuss. Me at 32. Me ain't a fucking kid. And if nobody wants to advertise on your videos, so be it. All of the people let me say I use YouTube ads, I be cussing them, I cuss on them channel. Them a sing so nigga, I'm a fuck that bitch in the, yeah, you can say nigga and bitch, but you can't cuss on a YouTube video. But the artists who are saying nigga and bitches in their music who want it to be promoted on YouTube, you take their money. You take AdSense from them. I don't give a fuck. If you like me, you like me. If you don't like me, you don't blood clot like me. I not stop cuss. I'm not going to stop cussing. That it not gonna happen. Me a 30 blood clot too. Me not stop cuss. And I'm cussing in Jamaican also, not in your language. So leave me alone. Human and sex trafficking. Why you not blood clot talk about these people? When scared of bumble clot. You're scared of pussy clot. You're scared of Ross clot. Why you not scared of the fucking people them who are traffic? You saw how them want censor you? You can't swear upon TV, but it make the traffickers get free. The man can buy you as a dishwashing machine, but you can't curse. What the fuck this? Sweetie, your kids are hearing how mommy and daddy is cursing at each other every day because daddy won't stop fucking on mommy. Your kids heard worse. Yeah, Pisces. Then why you fucking stop? For fucking what? Me a 30 blood clot too this year. You can't tell me what to say. You could have used blood clot poison. You could have flushed me out. You could have used blood clot magic. Sweetie, I am who I am. I am who I am because I am who I am. And that's true. When I hear Nicki Minaj cussing, oh the fuck well? Yeah, curse. Me not stop blood clot curse. Me a 30 fucking 2. The fuck you think this is? When you want money on a revenue off of black people fighting. When you want money on a revenue off of niggas and bitches. Me notice in the music video on you can say, oh, I bought that bitch a plane ticket. But as soon as a girl is like, yo, this is my bitch, you're offended. You're so blood clot offended. You're offended because a girl is saying, yo, this bitch is smart. This bitch knows what she's doing. You're upset because a girl say you're a bitch. You a smart bitch. But when the man them say, oh, never save a bitch. Percocet, Molly Percocet, all the fucking girls them, what, never save a chick. Never save a bitch. You're okay with a man for calling a bitch. But if a girl is calling you a bitch, you're upset. Me not stop blood clot curse. On my fucking channel. Don't watch me. I know the kids not around here. My channel is not a kids channel. My channel is not for kids. It's not for anybody below the age of fucking 18. I don't know what this. You think a blood clot Rachel this? You think I know white blood clot girl this? Me not stop curse. Me not blood clot stop. You don't like it? I will find another platform. Me not stop curse. There's other YouTubers here who are cursing and I will not target them. Me not stop blood clot curse. Yeah, Pluto. One more. Libra. Well, people are watching you. Police are watching you. Okay, that is great. Judges are watching you. That is great. The CIA is watching you. Great. Bomba pussy ras clot is not more threatening than a blood clot bomb being planted somewhere. Pussy clot is not more threatening than a fucking rapist. Yeah, tell me, say, the politics are watching you. The political people, the liberals are watching you. Me not give a blood clot. One more. I'm 32. You don't like me? Don't watch me. My shit ain't for kids. Yeah, magic. My shit ain't for kids. My shit is 18 and over. If you're not 18 and over, or if you're under the age of 18, you're supposed to be watching it with your big brother or your big sister. So them can say, do not listen to this anymore. You want me to stop blood clot curse? For fucking who? Your blood clot. I'm gonna leave it here. Until next time. Goodbye.